What's going on, guys? Welcome back in another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the complete guide on different tools, wallets, marketplaces, inscription tools, and communities that you can join if you want to learn more about Bitcoin NFTs. So let's start off with Bitcoin wallets. So one of the best wallets that you can use right now is xverse wallet. You go to the official website, you can basically create a new wallet with few clicks, download the extension, you create a new wallet, and you can receive Bitcoin. You can hold different coins like stocks. You can also receive your ordinals, so that's all what we care about. Definitely give it a try. In my opinion, it's really good. Next wallet that you can create is basically through Generative platform, and on this website you can see this wallet is built on top of MetaMask. Everybody has MetaMask account, so that's very simple to create. You basically log in via MetaMask. So once you do that, you can go to your wallet, and with one click of the button we create another wallet. You have your wallet here, so you can copy, you can send your NFT to that. You can also see your projects, activities, and your Bitcoin balance. And also we're gonna cover features of this platform in different sections. Now we're gonna discuss different marketplaces. One of these marketplaces that you can see is openordex.org. And in here, if you have different ordinals, you can list it. So let's say you have your open inscription. So let's say we're gonna open this 1111. So you can see these inscriptions. If you're looking for some inscriptions, you can find it in here. You can also find the owner address and some different information. You can also view it on Ordinals Explorer. Go back, you can also view different sections. And you can see we have our social media. We also have our images. You can see all different NFTs. This marketplace is not really popular yet, but this is how you can get started. If you're trying to sell certain ordinals, you can list your ordinals on different marketplaces. Next marketplace that I want to cover today is Ordinals Market. You go, for example, to banks. So if you connect your wallet to this website, you can see these prices of banks. You can either buy it on OpenSea because these NFTs are on emblem world. But this Ordinals Market wrapped all your different Bitcoin NFTs listed on the website. If you want to buy these banks, for example, you can click buy now. So this is how it works. It's a pretty cool marketplace just for ordinals. Next marketplace that I want to show you guys is Gamma. So Gamma is really complex platform. Now you can see we have our different collections. You can see your auctions. You can see the categories, top collectors. So a lot of different features. So if you go, for example, Megapoint, now you can see the prices of these NFTs. A lot of people are trying to sell the Megapoints Ape Club. So if you have your stacks tokens, you can purchase these. If you connect your wallet, you can either choose between Ethereum wallet or Stacks token. So if you click on Stacks, I recommend you guys create xverse wallet or Hiro wallet. So that's also a really good marketplace and a platform that you can use, and they are developing every day. So they're staying on top of everything. They are pretty much top 3 marketplaces now. Next up we have ordswap, and ordswap was one of the first marketplaces. We have also different features that they provide, like inscribing. You can see different collections. So let's say, for example, we go blockchain munchers. If you click one of these, if you connect your wallet and if you have the available balance in your wallet, you can buy this NFT. And this NFT will go straight to your wallet. So that's definitely one of these marketplaces that I recommend you guys to use if you're trying to sell some of your ordinals. So next up, I want to talk about your inscription tools. If you go to the Gamma website, you have your guide, a really simple guide how you can do that. You basically need to connect your xverse wallet and have some stacks token available to pay for your transaction. And it's going to take 10 minutes. So if you're ready, you can click new. So if you want to create one-on-one artwork, you can also create a public mint with large primary mints, or you can create additions. The next tool that I want to show you guys is Ordinals bot. They were one of the first tools that helps you to inscribe your content on Bitcoin. So you can see you have 3 different options. Files, you can also inscribe your text. So now I select some random file from my desktop. As you can see, now we need to provide our address. Or if you don't have one, you can do later. And so now you need to select your option that you need to pay for your transaction. So either you want to inscribe something the economy or normal or custom. I wouldn't recommend you guys using the economy one because it's going to take multiple days to inscribe your content. You can either use normal, it's going to take an hour or more, or you can use custom. Also need to remember that if you want to set up custom, you'll pay much more for subscription in total. That's pretty much all we have to do. The next platform that you can use is ordswap. So they also helps you to inscribe your content on Bitcoin. So I uploaded some random Bitcoin image, and now you have an option to select bid modes as well. So you can use economy, general, fasted, custom. So remember to put your Bitcoin address if you have one. If you don't have one, you can claim it later. You basically click pay and inscribe, and that's all you have to do. And if your block will be minted, your NFT will show up in your wallet. So now I want to discuss really important topic, and essentially we're gonna talk about emblem world. Emblem world is a bridge between different blockchains, like for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, BNB chain. And this wallet essentially wraps different NFTs from different blockchains and it helps you to sell it on OpenSea, for example. If you bridge it using Emblem Wallet, your NFT will show up in your wallet and also will show up on the OpenSea. So this is the website emblem.finance. I have a full tutorial on my channel how you can do that. So if you have some Bitcoin NFTs in your wallet, you can create an Emblem Wallet and send your NFTs to this wallet, and this wallet will basically allow you to sell your NFTs on OpenSea. So now I want to discuss the best communities that you can learn about Bitcoin. One of these good communities I can join is Discord. So now you can see we have our different tutorials. So if you go to, for example, media, and also watch the podcast, interviews, Twitter spaces, read about Bitcoin if you want to learn more. You can also see the guides. If you look into install Spiral Wallet, for example, or Bitcoin Core on OrdMac, or Bitcoin Core on Windows. If you have different issues, you can find it in forums. So you can use the search bar, find your keyword that you're looking for if you have some issue. If you can't find your issue in the forums, you can also go to the general channel, and in here there's a lot of developers that will help you. Also make sure you join my Discord. It's free to use. So in my Discord we discuss different opportunities, Bitcoin projects, also tutorials, so you can definitely learn. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter where I share some insights with you guys. And if you like this video, definitely smash the like button for YouTube algorithm, comment down below what you think about this video, and I'll see you in the next one.